Okay, I'm gonna say this out loud for the first time on this platform. Whenever we learn that our ancestors, Ria Toro, they used to do divination for everything. And ever since we learned about this, I've been embracing my own spiritual gift. And I'm saying all this to say, I'm not just running my mouth. I boo-boo the shits. Okay? Okay? And y'all can't keep calling me crazy. I don't talk about these things on this platform because there's still a million closed-minded, judgmental Marshallese who still think that their own ancestors are demonic. And there's a lot of things I can't say about this burning down of the Nidijala building, but I'm going to just say one thing. There's a lot of hidden things you could see on Bul Nidijala. So before I even open my mouth about anything, I always boo-boo first. I'm not crazy. There's certain things I know that I can't speak about, and certain things I don't speak about because nobody's ready for it. And I think I'm going to leave this video on just TikTok because this is already the type of content I put on my Snapchat. But because of the fact that there's a lot of judgmental, close-minded people, especially older generations, I'm going to keep this on TikTok. And I don't care who judges me for it. You're not God. Because this is me utilizing my God-given gifts. So no, I'm not talking for no reason. I'm not talking to start drama. I say what I say when I need to say it because it's a bigger reason than me. Thank you. So there, I finally said it out loud. I'm out of the closet. I do divination. I went back to our original roots and started doing the same things our ancestors did. You know, minus the violence and the power trip, but I just wanted to let y'all know I don't be talking for no damn reason. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.